happy new year. Guys, this year is going to be full of vlogs, full of tutorials, full of everything that revolves around me, guys. So I hope to bring you all nothing but the content. Stay tuned, watch how I did this look. Let's get into it. Tricks that you plan for the next whole week. Plans too long for but it's so cheap and your flex so D and your sex so D. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do my eyebrows and set my lids. Then we're gonna jump right into the eyeshadow. So, okay guys, so today we're gonna go in and we're gonna do a New Year's look. I'm looking in palettes right now. So give me 1 second to figure out a palette. I know for sure I need a palette that has a black in it. And I bought these e.l.f. It's called the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. This is in the color Black Magic. I'm debating on Black Magic or Bling Bling, which is just a normal silver. I might use the Black Magic because I'm giving a little black and gray today. So, with a little hint of gold, we're gonna go into that pharmacy blending brush. We're gonna go into the black that's in the Warrior 2 palette. We're gonna go into Shawata down here in the bottom corner. Like I said, is in the Juvia's Place Warrior 2. And right where the tape is, I'm gonna take the black all the way up into a wing shape. So let's see. Now we're gonna move into the crayon case box of crayons, and we're gonna use the black out of that. We're gonna go right over where we just did this one. Okay guys, so I've already done this one. I'm gonna, of course, after I tried this gray color, the Wozana in the top corner, I'm gonna try to see how this gray comes out, blending it over this black. If it comes out how I want it, I'll come back to you with both eyes, with both shadows on. I'm just going into that lighter gray and just smoking out that black. Kind of bringing it towards the front of the eye. Then I'm going to go in the Festival palette. And I'm going to use that color Kiki. Down here at the bottom, it's like a shimmery gray. We're going to go in with that same brush we used that lighter gray on. And we're just going to dab it. Okay guys, there's a white shade called Zazz on the Warrior 2 palette. We're gonna go just get a little bit of that and we're gonna insert it right here in the front of kind of where we drew that crease to give it more of a gradient look. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go into a little bit of the Black Magic by e.l.f. I'm gonna go into a little bit of that just to see how it's gonna look red on this side. Black and gray glitter. That's beautiful. Let's see. Oh, hold the hell up. Y'all, this is the one right here. Hold on. I might not even add the gold onto it. Just, ooh, I have to see. This is so beautiful. Okay, guys. So I'm going to go in with the gold antidote from Glam Pharmacy. The links will be in the description box below. I'm going in with that gold and applying it right into that inner corner so that we can have more of a gradient gold to gray and black look. Okay guys, so far I'm loving that gradient look. It's going from gold to like the the blackish glitter. Then it's a gray and black look out here. So far, I'm loving it. I'm gonna go in and add a little more glitter. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in on this side with that Black Magic from e.l.f. We're gonna go and apply it in the inner corner and make it form like we would have cut crease. Okay guys, so I went in and I've done that. Now I'm gonna line the back end of the eye with the NYX matte liquid eyeliner. We're gonna line both eyes and then we're going to basically move on to face because the eye is finished. As you can see, you can get into it. Gold, silver, black, gray. It's giving every bit of New Year's. So let me move into that wing. We're gonna go into the wing and then we're gonna move into the Fenty mascara. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do that bottom lash. The deep caramel in the inner corner. Also, I'm gonna do the deep chestnut on the outer. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna apply that Holy Grail. Too Faced, we're gonna apply it to the hand. We're gonna use that brush by Juvia's Place and we're gonna apply. Okay guys, so on this side I went under with that dark gray from the Warrior 2 palette. I'm going to go back into it and do this side. Just dab it a little bit. doing. I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and then once I contour, I'm gonna come back and set the face. So I'm gonna push that contour in. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face. Okay guys, for this look, I'm gonna go in with that Fenty Beauty's Diamond Brown highlighter, and we're gonna highlight. Today I think I'm gonna use Coating Crazy, just because that's my favorite, all-time favorite lash. Of course, it's from the pharmacy. Description box will have the link. Don't forget that this is a new year. This is gonna be a New Year's sale that's on the website if you go and check it out. I'm gonna leave all the details to the discount codes in the description box. Also, subscribe to the website and you will receive a 10% off text message. And all you have to do is apply that code at checkout and win some discounts. Duh. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go in with that NYX matte finishing spray. We're gonna spray the face, then we're gonna fan it down, then we're gonna move into applying those lashes, then lips. Okay, we're almost finished with this New Year's look. Guys, this year I have so many goals, guys. I have so many goals for the pharmacy. Also, as you saw in the last vlog, if you haven't seen, I will leave it in the description box. Go check it out. Also, check out all the rest of the Vlogmas videos, because those were top tier videos. I loved every video down to the very last video. So guys, go check that out. Go see what I got for Christmas. And then we can talk about what's new for the new year, guys. We're going to talk about how we're going to set goals for the business, myself, and we're going to see what your goals are. So if you can like, comment, and subscribe. Also click that notification bell, and guess what, we can just keep this look rolling, period. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with Coating Crazy. This is my all-time favorite. I'm going to go in with that. I'm going into that Coating Crazy. We're going to apply it to that lash line. Yes, I love my lashes to look perfect, so that's why you're gonna see me keep going in and readjusting them. Okay guys, so jumping right into lips, we're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna go into that KKW Beauty Nude 3 liner. We're gonna line the lips, then we're gonna apply the Crayon Cases Clean Kisses to the lips, and then this look is almost finished. Okay guys, so far I'm loving this look, but comment below and let me know how you like this look. Oh my god, what's that? Okay guys, this is gonna be the end of this look. I absolutely love it, guys. Like, this look is giving me the gold, the silver, the gray, and the black. So guys, I just want to say like, comment, and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh. Bye.